Charizard, 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 Charizard. Tortilla! Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Oh!
What's up? Guys, where's the...
First squad! Take this, huh? What about that, first squad, huh? Oh.
We have chili.
Shut up! No.
We have 2 chilling rain packs.
Oh.
We have 1 vivid voltage pack.
And we have one dada who Mama is about to kill, so I'm about to get out of here. See what we got. Which one should I open?
Wait, I start.
I hope you guys all enjoyed our Charizard rain dance. This one's it right here. Oh, look at that pack. Rainbow Rare Charizard. It's in here, boys. It's in here, boys!
Okay, stop.
Stop.
4.
Fairy energy.
Let's say leaf energy.
We're gonna have the Blastoise.
Path to the park. Lane.
Where's the other pack? Oh, it's right here.
Welcoming. Lantern.
Oh, those are cool.
Real key. Marie.
Mapeep.
Beepy.
Beepy.
Rock. Ruff. Beepy.
Swirlix.
Swirlix.
Ooh, Lapras is good.
Lapras. Beepy.
Sneasel.
Charizard. Charizard. Sneasel. Beepy.
Sawbuck. That's not bad. Hard squad!
Beepy.
Maybe I'll get the Rainbow Rare Pikachu.
Beepy. Snorlax, people! Snorlax!
What is the trick?
4.
1, 2, 3. Wait, does it go 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic energy, you fools! I see you. I see you. Alright. Alistair. Alabaster. Matang. Kakuna. Kakuna Matata. That's what I always say. This is Whooper. I had one of those at Burger King the other day. Ooh. A Galarian Meow. Get my name out, you meow. Cottony. Aracuda. Ooh, Aracuda. Another Cottony. 2 Cottonies. This better be a good one in here. Ooh, a Toucanon. What's the next one? Tornadus. There we go, fools. He's talking about Boopy or something back there. Boopy and Beepy and all of this repeat. We're gonna make a nice little teepee.
We're getting fish today too.
Oh yeah, Fart Squad, we're getting the most stinkiest fish ever. 3 hours later.
4.5 years.
Alright, Fire Squad.
That was like half an hour.
Hookah shaka, hookah, hookah, hookah shaka, hookah, hookah. Ah, who's gonna feel Charizard. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Charizard. Water.
Fire. Fire.
Oh.
I see you. Charizard. Okay. What do we got? Fire resistant gloves.
Ew.
Oh, look at that one. That one's not that bad. Crabominable.
Oh my god, look what happened.
Hookah shaka, hookah, hookah. Spiral energy.
Oh, what the?
Inkay.
Diglett.
Diglett. I don't know. Score Bunny. Shuppet.
You see something good in this bag?
Kubfu. Ooh.
Nothing good.
Oh.
That's last pack.
Nah, not yet. Or do you want to save the other ones we got for a different movie? Or a different video? Far Squad, if you get us a grand total of 1 like and 1 subscribe, we will totally open up another pack.
At least, if you at least
Leave a comment what pack you want us to open up.
At least send a Pokemon card.
Especially the Charizard, first edition, Flatulence.
A Charizard, maybe a VMAX.
And make sure you send it to me. Don't worry about him. He doesn't need any Pokemon cards. I get him enough.
No.
Charizard, right here.
No.
You know who it is.
Blastoise VMAX.
All right.